I'm going to attempt piercing my nose for myself.
Okay,
so I went on Amazon and I bought this Body J for You. Here it has a label saying you must be 18 years old older to purchase. So in the package you get the clamp for your nose, you get the little nose rings, and you choose whichever ones you want. You get the needles, you get the alcoholic wipes, and of course you get gloves.
so the gloves are really small, but they're really strong. Like,
So I'm just gonna tear off one. Side with the white ball is where I'm using to pierce. So I'm just gonna take the alcoholic wipe and wipe off my nose. I think it's this side I would like it on. So yeah. The clamp is so tight, but it's to help, like, you know, to pass it through. I think what I'm gonna do is, like, after I push the needle through, I'm gonna put on the clamp. Now if come open, please don't use it, because yeah, make sure it's always sealed off. Okay, so it's in. It's not that bad, it's just like being scared. Like, okay guys, so it's up here now, but I had to get up and make sure I put it through, so I don't want it to poke like the next side. But yeah. So I have the ring in, but the needle, the part to put the ring in is so hard to fit the needle in. It came out and the ring is not even in it. So this is the part that hurts the most. This is getting so aggravating because it's not going through. Like, finally. Trying to get the ring in. Yo, I have a headache now trying to put that shit in. First of all, they gave me 5 needles. I have 2 now. 2. It's gonna take some rubbing alcohol. Burns more on the inside because that's where I like place a lot of holes just to try to get it. So guys, it's been approximately like a week, yeah, a week since I pierced my nose. I originally pierced it here the Saturday, and then I was having some trouble putting in the ring and everything, and then I changed it. I wasn't pleased with how it was looking. I was like, nah, I'm not going nowhere looking like that. My nose was swollen, so it looked like it was right up on top here, but now that this one is gone down, it looks like, well, you can see where the mark is. I took it out the Sunday morning and I pierced it this side, and I did this with one go. Like, I only had to use one needle. I straightened the ring that they gave me. My mommy let me do her today, and hers was one go too, no complications, nothing.